Module 1. Foundations of Pharmacovigilance. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture this. You're a patient who's just taken a common medication for a routine condition. What if that simple pill could become a life-altering experience? Not in the way you might expect, but in a way that could potentially harm you? Every day, millions of people around the world take medications, trusting that they're safe. But who stands guard between these medicines and potential risks? Who acts as the invisible shield protecting patient safety? Welcome to the world of pharmacovigilance, the unsung hero of modern healthcare. Section 1. Definition and scope. Let's break down what pharmacovigilance, or PV, really means. At its core, it's a critical scientific discipline that serves as our medical early warning system. But it's so much more than just a technical definition. Pharmacovigilance is the science of detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects or any drug-related problems. Imagine it as a complex global detective network, constantly monitoring the safety of every medication that enters the market. Picture 4 powerful pillars supporting this critical field. 1. Detection, identifying potential safety issues. 2. Assessment, carefully analyzing these potential risks. 3. Understanding, diving deep into the mechanisms and implications. 4. Prevention, developing strategies to mitigate potential harm. Here's what makes pharmacovigilance truly remarkable: its comprehensive approach. This isn't a snapshot investigation. It's a full-length movie that follows a medicine's entire life journey.
Am I the only one that didn't know there are superheroes in lab coats, keeping our meds safe? Time to meet them! From the moment a potential drug is first conceived in a laboratory, through rigorous clinical trials and long after it reaches pharmacy shelves, pharmacovigilance is there, watching, analyzing, protecting. Before a single patient takes a new medication, extensive clinical trials are conducted. Pharmacovigilance professionals meticulously review every piece of data, every participant's response, searching for even the slightest hint of an adverse reaction. But the real magic happens after the drug hits the market. Clinical trials, despite their rigor, can't predict every possible interaction or side effect. As thousands become millions of patients, unexpected complexities arise. Think of signal detection and evaluation as the early warning radar of healthcare. PV experts are constantly scanning reports, medical literature, and patient feedback, looking for emerging patterns that might indicate a potential safety issue. When a potential risk is identified, it's not just about recording it. It's about developing comprehensive strategies to minimize that risk. This could mean updating prescription guidelines, adding warning labels, or even recommending drug withdrawal in extreme cases. Transparency is key. Pharmacovigilance professionals don't just collect data. They communicate. They inform healthcare providers, regulatory agencies, and most importantly, patients about potential risks and safety recommendations. So the next time you take a medication, remember there's a team of dedicated professionals working tirelessly to keep it safe for you. That's the power of pharmacovigilance.
This is more than a job. This is a mission to protect human lives, to ensure that every medication we take has been scrutinized, understood, and deemed as safe as possible. Are you ready to dive deeper into this fascinating world? In our next segment, we'll explore the historical evolution of pharmacovigilance and how landmark events shape this critical field of medical science. Section 2. Importance in healthcare.
Close your eyes and picture this. A seemingly routine medication prescribed to millions, hiding a potentially deadly secret. This isn't a medical thriller. This is a real story of how pharmacovigilance saves lives. Enter the world of COX-2 inhibitors, a class of pain medications that promised relief to millions suffering from arthritis and chronic pain. Drugs like Vioxx seemed like a medical breakthrough, offering pain relief with fewer stomach-related side effects. But beneath the surface, a silent threat was lurking. In 2004, something extraordinary happened. Through meticulous monitoring and data analysis, pharmacovigilance experts uncovered a shocking truth. These medications significantly increased the risk of heart attacks and strokes. The result, Vioxx was withdrawn from the global market, potentially preventing thousands of cardiovascular events. Let's talk numbers. Brace yourself. Every year, pharmacovigilance prevents an estimated 50% of adverse drug reactions that could lead to hospitalization. That's not just a statistic. That's tens of thousands of lives saved, families protected, potential tragedies averted. Imagine a graph showing drug-related hospitalizations. Watch as the line dramatically drops. This is the visual representation of pharmacovigilance in action. Each downward slope represents a life potentially saved, a family kept whole. But pharmacovigilance isn't just about preventing harm. It's about strategic medical intelligence, benefit-risk assessment. Think of this as a high-stakes balancing act. Every medication has potential benefits and risks. Pharmacovigilance doesn't just identify risks, it provides a comprehensive understanding that allows healthcare professionals to make informed decisions. Drug labeling and prescribing information. When you pick up a medication and read its detailed instructions, you're looking at the direct result of pharmacovigilance work. Those warnings, those precise instructions, they're crafted from years of careful monitoring and analysis. Clinical practice guidelines, medical professionals rely on these guidelines to make critical treatment decisions. Pharmacovigilance continuously updates these guidelines, ensuring that doctors have the most current, safest information at their fingertips. This isn't just a scientific discipline. This is a guardian of public health, a silent protector that works tirelessly behind the scenes, transforming raw data into life-saving insights.